In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google AdSense account, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on adsense.google.com and just click on Get Started. It'll prompt you to log into a certain Gmail account, so I'm just going to pick a random one. Now, before you start, you're going to need to put your website and just choose your country and territory. I'm going to say I don't have a website yet since I do not, and choose my country. Read and accept the agreement and start using AdSense. Now, once you actually start using it, you'll be hit with a lot of different complicated things that you're going to have to tell them about. So to start using ads, you're first going to have to enter your information for payments. You're then going to have to explore how the ads will look on your site and connect your site to AdSense. Now, once all of that is done, you are going to be able to start earning with ads. Now, they do tell you a little bit about the features, and you can let Google place the ads for you. You can do it by the site, by the ad unit, and you can also play around with the settings a little bit. But the most important part is that you have the ads connected to your site on Google AdSense. So once you click Let's Go, you're going to have to add your website. Now, this is super important because this is the first step in getting ads onto your Google. So, for example, if I were to type tranquilrings.com, I'm going to click on Save, and you're going to make sure that that is correct. Now, once you actually have the site in, you are going to have to put this AdSense code into your actual website. As you can see, it says to get ready to show ads, copy and paste this code between on the tags of your website. This is super simple, so once you figure that out, you'll be able to place the code, click on Next, and you'll be able to request review as well. So once that's actually done, then you'll be able to place some ads. As you can see, this comes up. My auto ads are off, but everything is connected and my Google AdSense is created. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.